Hey guys, welcome back to the Caliber8 Tools channel. My name is Dylan, if you didn't know that already. And I just want to dedicate this video to saying thanks to all the support from you guys that has allowed this channel to get where it is right now. But now I want to get into the direction this channel is going. At its core, this is an educational channel to teach people, you guys especially, how to be more handy and to dispel the fear and anxiety around using tools of all kinds. I've been in some sort of trade most of my life, from general construction, as a lineman out there on the power poles, solar panel installation, as a welding instructor and metal fabricator, and for many years as a truck driver hauling freight all over the country. I was a meter reader for the power company for a long time. Got chased and bitten by dogs, went through all of that stuff. Some would say I'm a blue-collar man, which would be partially true, because I've worked in offices, so I have a deep affinity for the trades. And then some years back, I decided to try my hand at inventing a product. As someone who loved to tinker with all kinds of things as a kid, from working on cars to taking apart whatever you could find to take apart to see what's inside and see how it worked, making a channel like this was a natural fit for me. And if you've been watching my channel for any length of time, you'll see that I'm very socially conscious and that I'm aware of many of the inequities that exist in our world. A big part of the reason Caliber8 Tools and DIY exists is to combat those inequities simply by saying, hey, go learn a trade, go learn a skill. You'll be better off that way. That's the premise that I based this channel on. Self-sufficiency and growth. I'm also a big proponent of creating generational wealth. And that's where the diversification of the content on this channel is going to start. What's the point of learning how to use tools if you can't build your own communities? If you can't hire the people within your community to build it, to give them a sense of purpose, give them a skill, and give them a future? The path to generational wealth is really wide open. It's just that a lot of us think it's a dream, and it's not. It's simply learning a skill, capitalizing on that skill, and sharing that knowledge with others. So I'm looking to incorporate different types of content, yet related content to the theme of this channel, so I don't deviate so far off from the theme of this channel. So you'll start to see topics like real estate, which is directly related to the theme of this channel, which is using tools to build structures, to build homes, to build buildings. But then what do you do, or what do you have to learn so you won't lose what you build? That's when the financial aspect steps into the picture. Financial literacy is a big problem in the community. If you're not financially literate, it doesn't matter what you build in this system. Either you're going to lose it or you won't know how to maintain it. So you're going to see topics on financial literacy as well, so you can keep what you build with those tools that I'm teaching you how to use. The Caliber8 and DIY channel has never been a me channel. It's always been a we channel. That's why I make it a point to spotlight individuals and businesses in the community who are in the trades or related fields. So you're going to see more of that. My goal in doing this is to, number one, spotlight those in underserved communities who wouldn't otherwise get the spotlight. And that's not to exclude anyone, but I would feel remiss in my duty to help build those businesses and communities up if I didn't use my platform to do it. Now, as much as I love tools, because I think they're just an extension of the mind to create and build, ultimately, innovation is my true passion. That's why about 10, 11 years ago, I created this, a picture hanging tool of all things. This is the Exactac picture hanging tool. And if you really want to support the channel, guys, just go check out the link and grab one. It's a great gift item, shameless plug. Not only was I stepping into the new world of inventing things, but at the time I was doing it, I didn't really have anything except an idea. And that's what I want to get across to you guys. Sometimes all you need is an idea and the passion to go after it. It took many years to get it to market, but it was well worth it. This is just the end product of many iterations and inventions that I created before this one. No investors, guys, just hard work, sweat, and no sleep. Those were my main investors right there. Innovation, or the innovative mind, is so important in the world today. Look at what's happening with AI, even with content creation. Artificial intelligence claims its territory in the content creation market. Nothing is guaranteed. The human factor is being replaced and made more irrelevant day by day. But sparking the innovator or inventor in yourself or someone else, I think, is one of the greatest tools you can give someone. And that's another reason why this channel exists. Because there are so many creative minds out there that are untapped in places that you would never think they are. And they remain untapped many times because of lack of opportunity. I want to tap into those minds, and by whatever other channels that I can, to show them that their mind can raise them above their circumstances. Sometimes you need a hand to lift you out of that hole. And that's all of our responsibility to do that. You know, one of the great things about being a welding instructor is that I had the opportunity to meet some amazing students. Most of them came from very challenging backgrounds, including being involved with the law, coming out of some penal institutions. Some were homeless, but they were all eager to learn a skill that would raise them above where they were. The thing about working in those environments is that you're not only a instructor, but you also become a counselor of sorts. You get to hear their problems. You may even be a shoulder to cry on. And many times I was that. And these were not just young folks coming straight out of high school. Some of these people were grown men and women that just had challenges. But guess what separated them from the pack? They made a decision to change their life, to show up every day for a month, put their helmets on, get in that welding booth, and perfect the basics of the 4 process of welding. And that's what they did. And it absolutely changed their lives. On graduation day, you saw grown men crying, shedding a tear because nobody ever believed in them. You saw single mothers go on to get jobs and create promising careers in the welding world. How often do you see that? And that was another motivator to keep putting out content for you guys, just so you can see that there is opportunity for you. You don't have to give up. You just got to focus. And lastly, guys, if you don't know, I go live every Tuesday, Pacific Standard Time. What I like about lives is that I get a chance to connect with you guys on a more personal level, and we can cover a wider range of topics related to the channel. Politics, economics, what's going on in the industry, things like that. I really invite you guys to attend the lives, see what's going on, get your opinions on things. I don't know everything, and I don't want to feel like I'm talking to myself all the time, even though I can do that. You guys get the picture. The lives are a way of connecting with you guys. I get to know your names, see where you're from, and that's what makes lives so special. That's the great thing about social media, the great thing about the internet. You're able to connect with people all over the world in real time and possibly form some really good relationships. With caution, of course. But once again, guys, I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Hit those links in the description as the best way to support the channel. Share the content. Let's build the Caliber8 community together. See you in the next one. Sometimes when it comes to those home improvement projects, it can be overwhelming and you just don't know where to start. That's why I'm inviting you to go and grab this simple home improvement planner that'll take all the stress off. It works on any device with a PDF reader. You don't need any special software. You can view it online or offline. You can even print specific pages if you need. And it's so easy to share with contractors or family. You can set and track your total budget. You can break down costs by category. You can record material expenses, track contractor payments, keep digital receipts. You can compare estimated versus actual costs. And the great thing about it is you can monitor your spending in real time. And the best part about it is you can document your whole journey because it allows you to take before and after pictures for each room or area of your home or space. Guys, this is the perfect planner to get started, especially if you're beginning on your DIY journey. You want to start it off right. So go grab the Caliber8 Home Improvement Planner. I'll leave the link in the description below. And you guys have a great one.